Sometimes with sewing, I get an idea and I just go for it. So I had picked up these two items at the thrift store, and as they just were not practical for me. Although I really love this dress material and pattern, it was too long, no pockets. And the pants, they're nice stretchy material, but they are very heavy, warm, very warm on the legs. So really not practical as well. But I had an idea, and this is what I did. Now the skirt was wider than the pants, so I pinned them at the side seams, then found the center of each side and pinned that. From there, I just did little pleats to take up the excess material. Hey, I'm Fran. Welcome. Once I had sewed those, I cut this with the pinking shears to keep my seam from fraying out. Now the top of the dress, I fold it under twice and give it a top stitch for a hem. And here we have my new two-piece outfit with pockets and nice and cool and very practical.